Hello everybody, I'm here at the Imbabura mountain with Jorge, and today we spent a wonderful time exploring the mountain. We had a great time. We saw very different kinds of natures. We saw very much of the region of the Imbabura, and the Imbabura is, I would recommend the Imbabura every time to visit with the whole family, but also for sportive adventurers that want to go further and want to go to the top of the mountain. Bukaraman Shawi, Taita Imbaburaman.
Turismo Taita Imbabura, la aventura te espera.